what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and in this video I am going to be doing a hair install from Beauty Forever Hair. And if you haven't noticed something different about this video, I'm actually talking to you guys through the camera instead of doing a stupid freaking voiceover. So it's about time. I feel like it's been a while since we've connected. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So like I said, this wig is from Beauty Forever Hair. So this is a 24-inch curly V-part wig with highlights. So it's like a balayage. Balayage. I think it's balayage. I may be pronouncing it completely wrong, but balayage color. So, ooh, child, it looks a little bright. But okay. So this is what it looks like fresh out the pack. There's a lot of color going on, but this looks so pretty. I think it'll look pretty like cuter once I like do stuff with, you know, the hair. Right now it looks like oodles and noodles, but you know, we'll go ahead and take this out. Nobody cares about that. But yeah, so like I said, this is a V-part wig. So V-part wigs come constructed like a V, but there's like, it looks like a track to me. Like technically, I guess it would be a small amount of lace in the front, kinda, but really, sorry, it's like a track. So yeah, it looks like a track in the front, and it's super thin the way that it's constructed, so that you can blend. Well, if you use leave out, so that you can blend your leave out, but really it's supposed to create like a seamless type of look. So typical construction of a V part. 2 clips on each side of the V, the 2 clips on the side. Does anybody use this? Because I don't. Maybe I should. I'm gonna try to use it. No, I'm not, because I have braids. But this clip right here, the clip at the bottom, and then of course your 2 adjustable straps. And again, this is a 24-inch, and this is what it looks like. It looks really scary right now because, you know, it needs to be combed through, but I feel like this is gonna look really cute when it's like fluffy. So let's go ahead and get into the install. This is going to be a no leave out style, only because my hair in the front is a little bit longer than this, and I feel like it wouldn't blend too well. Maybe it would, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do no leave out to spare myself the heartache. So since it's gonna be no leave out, this is really gonna be a quick style since I already know what I'm gonna do. So let's go ahead and get into it. So let's go ahead and remove this. I get ashamed every time I remove my scarf. Don't judge me. My leave out is super burnt and damaged. This is why we're tucking it away in this lovely V-part wig. I have my hair in some old braids that you've probably seen last video because Deanna did not take her hair down. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my part. And since I'm not gonna be doing leave out, I'm just gonna wind up tucking this into the wig. I am just going to tuck my hair with one of these bobby pins that's already in my head to the back. All right. And now I'm gonna go ahead and slide on this wig because literally that's all there is to it. No, I lied. There's more, but you know, not initially. So let's go ahead and put this on. So I'm just aligning this in the back with my part, kind of, and I can readjust it later. I'm not really pressed about it like being perfect right now, but yeah, I'm gonna line it in the back with my part, slide these clips in. I'm not even gonna like clamp the clips because I need to adjust these in the back. So I'm pulling the wig down in the back, putting the bottom clip in, and I'm adjusting the side clips like this. Okay, and now we got somewhere. And so now, since the other clips are in, I'm gonna go ahead and scoot this in as close to my part as I can like physically get it, like literally, and just like clamp it. So you see it looks like that. And actually I'm gonna take that out because I covered up my edges that I'm gonna be leaving out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and re-clip this. It's one side. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. And if you don't get this perfect on the first try, don't panic. Like, it's clips. You can redo it. Like, you see how that is? I'm not walking around like that. That looks crazy. So let me play with this and try it and get it looking presentable. Okay, now we talking. Woo woo. All right, so because this is curly hair, I'm not too pressed about being able to see like my scalp, because the way that I'm going to be hiding the part is going to be like, you know, you're not going to see my part too much anyway. So now that that's installed, I'm going to go ahead and start messing with these edges so that they can be laying while I am fixing this hair. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my edges. Y'all, don't make fun of my wrap band. Look how gross this is. I need to wash it. We know this. Don't judge me. Let me do it on the, let me find a clean space. Y'all, I'm gonna break a sweat trying to put that on. All right, now before I start messing with this and stuff, I'm actually gonna style my hair, because I feel like all this, if I tug on my hair after I do my little fix to hide my part, like, it's gonna undo everything that I did. So I'm gonna go through now and like pull apart these curls. I do have a spray bottle, but I don't know if I want, like, necessarily want the wet look with this. I feel like because of the color, it'll look a lot cuter dry. Let me just comb through it gently to pull it apart. Maybe I should pick it apart with my fingers so it doesn't become frizzy. Yeah. And then next, I'm gonna just frame my face. Y'all, this is not even my hair cutting scissors, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and frame my face. Ever so slightly. Then what we do to one side, we do to the other. I'm so sorry. Okay, I like how she looks now. Let's get to the fun part. So, as you can see, the part widened. This is not how I will be wearing my hair. I'm just gonna fix it. It's really this side to me. The other side is doing what I need it to do. I need this side to cooperate, please. Por favor, cooperate. I just don't want that part to look super wide. And again, if you had anchor braids, you wouldn't have to go through all of this, but you know, me being me, I don't have anchor braids. So now we have our edges laying, we have this laid. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I make the no leave out look. For this, you're gonna need your handy dandy rat tail comb. your handy dandy, you probably use any hairspray, honestly, but I choose to use Got To Be Free Spray and a blow dryer. So what we are going to do, so what we're gonna do is take our comb and I'm gonna place it like behind the hair right here, and basically all we're going to be doing is like pushing it over and like gluing it in place, right? So we take the comb, push it over, take our Got To Be Free spray, spray it, and you do not have to use nearly as much hairspray as I'm using, but you know, I like to overdo things because I'm me. So do that and then blow dry. And there it is covering the part, right? And also with my blow dryer, what I do is I use it on hot until I can't take it anymore, and then I switch it to cold. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. And now, as you can see, I have a very tiny part in the middle of my head, right? And you can't see like the track. And then of course, once it dries, it'll harden up right here. So yeah, so now let's go ahead and remove this. I hope I didn't mess up my edges. Y'all, I have this line on my freaking head. Oh my gosh, I have a line. Boo! Tomato, tomato, tomato. Okay. Sorry, y'all. Okay, please ignore this ugly old line. Minus the line, this came out really cute. And it took 10 minutes. That's what I love. Like, this literally, okay, maybe it took like, to like 15 because I had to do my edges. Let me show you what it looks like from the side. And we're done. It's super cute, super easy, and super fast, which is an important thing because nobody have all day to be doing hair. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. All the information is in the description box below. Adios till next time.